Some things run quietly in the background. But without them, our world would be different. They work discreetly and reliably, but are vital for many demanding applications and products. They help ensure accurate diagnosis, assist in healing, and help save lives. They ensure your safety on the ground and in the air. The areas of use are numerous and wide-ranging. No two applications are exactly the same, and each application has its own highly specialized requirements. That is why our slip rings are developed individually and built one at a time for each unique purpose. The art of engineering from Germany, which you can depend on, even in outer space. This is how dreams come true and visions turn into reality. Slip rings are vital for securing our offshore energy supply. And are a vital component for many complex applications in mechanical engineering. And help wind turbines conserve resources and the environment. Slip rings accompany us each and every day and help keep our modern world in motion for grown-ups and for the young. Our slip rings keep the world turning. Your world.